In a world where productivity often is synonymous with success, I notice that keeping up with the Joneses has been highly engraved in my personality. Having a nice car, great friends, taking vacations, beautiful dinners, drinks, dancing, fun. All this adds to the illusion of a life that I should be living. But is that really what happiness is? At least for me? Because I've had those things in the past, and I can surely say that I don't think I was happy during those moments. So, what is happiness? People say it's building community, spending time with your loved ones, doing things you enjoy. But not all of us are fortunate enough to have all of those things. So, what exactly is happiness? I've learned so far that happiness is a fleeting emotion, just like sadness and anger. Happiness is very different than being content. Being content, in my humble definition, is being at peace with whatever circumstances you're thrown into and finding joy with the resources that you have and sharing them and being of service where you can. Happiness, joy, and contentment still are a bit of a mystery to me, and I would love to know your thoughts on what you think they mean to you. Like always, I wish you peace, love, and prosperity.